Hello friends, I hope you all are doing great. So friends, today we will saute celery with some only a couple of spices, and so basically we will saute it with curry leaves, mustard seeds, turmeric and dry mango powder, and this tastes really good and makes a great side dish. So okay friends, let's start. So friends, to saute the celery, I have taken some mustard oil, and when you cook with mustard oil you have to heat it first, so you can see some smoke is coming out. So that's the way to do it. And then I am going to add some mustard seeds into it and some curry leaves. I've taken frozen curry leaves, but you can take fresh if you have them available. And like about 3 red chilies, and then I'll add some turmeric to this as well, like half a teaspoon. Just mix them, and then I'll add the celery to it. Just I can smell the spices. So whenever you use curry leaves, whenever you use mustard seeds, usually you use curry leaves as well. And even the mustard oil is used a lot in Indian cooking for the vegetables. So now the spices are cooked a little bit in the oil. Now I'm going to add the celery. It's a very easy, very simple recipe. So I'll just mix the spices, oil and celery, and then I'll add salt to taste. And then we will cover this up and cook to the desired tenderness level. So and the salt is as per taste, so I will add about, it's not cooked yet but it's smelling amazing, the curry leaves and the mustard seeds. It's a great combination. So I will add about 1 teaspoon of of salt. You can add as per taste. You can add salt later as well. And the last thing I'm going to add in this is some dried mango powder, about 1 teaspoon. So you can get this from any Indian grocery store, and this gives a great flavor to any vegetable. Okay friends, so now I'll just mix this and cover this and cook for a few minutes till we have the desired level of softness in the celery. If you want it crunchy, you just cook it for a minute or so. It is smelling amazing. You can have this with the meal, like if you are having like some Indian flatbread, or you can have it like with the salad. You can mix it in the salad. It will taste great. Okay friends, so now we are just going to cover this up and cook for a few minutes. Okay, so guys, I had it covered for around 5 minutes because I like it a little soft. So you can cook it as long as you want, like depending on the tenderness. So if you press it, see, it is pretty tender now. So I covered it and cooked it on low heat for about 5 minutes. That's the way I like it. So guys, this is it. This is the recipe for today. Saute celery with Indian curry leaves and mustard seeds. These are the two main ingredients. You can add a little bit of turmeric and salt to taste, and also the dry mango powder. It gives a great taste. This makes a wonderful side dish. So definitely try this. Celery has a lot of health benefits. So celery aids in good sleep, helps in digestion, and helps lower the blood pressure. It has many other benefits. So you should definitely include celery in your diet, and this is a great way to do it. It tastes good. Okay friends, I hope you liked today's video. If you liked the video, then like it, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.